Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display 3D text in augmented reality using RealityKit in Flutter iOS. So this will be only for iOS using Flutter app. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here as you can see, firstly it will ask you for your camera permission. Just give that camera permission to it, and here you can see it automatically plays this particular 3D text. Make sure the lighting inside your room is good, otherwise you will have problem seeing this text, or the camera will have problem placing this text because it won't be able to detect your environment. So make sure you have proper lighting inside your room. Okay, just a second. Flutter app iOS. So here firstly this is our Flutter application. I have refactored the home page widget, so it is a stateless widget. Here I have taken this width and height. Here I have taken scaffold, safe area, size box, and here I have passed the width and height to it. And here we have just created this custom widget, so my AR view. So this is the custom widget. So we are using this identifier, so same identifier you will have to use it on native iOS side as well. And here if platform is iOS, then I'm just using this UIKit view. I'm passing our identifier, layout direction, creation param, as well as creation param codec. Next you will have to open the XE workspace of your iOS folder inside Xcode. Firstly go to info.plist, so this one, and you will have to add this camera usage description permission. Then go to app delegate. Also one more thing, go to runner. Make sure your deployment target, iOS deployment target, is at least 13 over here. Then you'll have to go over here and make sure this is also 13. Okay, then once these two things are done, you will have to go to app delegate, and here you will have to write this boilerplate code. Important thing is this identifier should be the same what you have used it on Flutter side. And here we are referencing our Swift file. So I have created one Swift file called my AR view native view factory. So here we are just extending NS object as well as Flutter platform view directory. This is again a boilerplate code which you have to write, so you can just copy paste this code. And here I have created one Swift file called my AR view native view. So this is the Swift file which has the main logic for inside it. So here you write all these imports. Here is our parent view, here is our AR view. We are initializing our UI view, then creating our native view. So we are overriding this method and returning our parent view. So here we are initializing our AR view, adding it to our parent view. Then we are setting the anchors on all the sides. Then we just use mesh resource dot generate text. Change this text to whatever you feel like. And here we are just pass this exclusion depth, font, container frame alignment, as well as line break code. Also one more thing, make sure while writing this code, if you don't have a real iOS device, obviously you will need a real iOS device for testing, but if you don't at the moment, you just select this generic ARM64 device. Don't select your simulator because Xcode gives false positive errors while writing this particular bit of code, specifically over here. Okay, then just create one simple material, create one model entity, then just change text entity dot position. Here I have created our anchor entity, given it some name, then added our text entity as an anchor entity. Then here I have added our anchor entity to AR view scene. I have created just overridden, called this generate collision shape method, and here I have installed some gestures like translation, rotation, and scale, and here we are passing our text entity. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.